Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a crypto I haven't covered in a very long time, and that's Apecoin. I'm not sure when I covered this last. I mean, Apecoin has been in a death spiral since the 28th of January, which might have been when I last covered it in February, like March maybe. Very bearish. In general, I'm not a fan of Apecoin. I still like right now we're seeing some bullish momentum, so that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to make a video on that. And I know quite a lot of you in the Cilinix crypto community also still trade / keep your eyes on Apecoin, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. But in general, I don't think Apecoin has a bright future. I wouldn't do it. There's a lot of regulatory stuff right now around the US, and Apecoin obviously mainly is based around a Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is in the US, and Yuga Labs. So I would stay away from it. It's also very inflationary. Like I already said back in March or April of 2022 when it came out, I already said that the coin, like the tokenomics, are bad. Like most of the tokens just go to people who are already rich, and it doesn't go towards the actual ecosystem. And I've heard a lot of hate about Apecoin and their games. Doesn't matter. I'm not here to hate, but just in general, I would not buy it on the long term. But we'll talk about it on the short term in this video. So that's better. Right now, Apecoin, like I said, it's showing some bullish momentum, mainly because of the bullish momentum we've seen for Bitcoin. There's maybe something going around at Apecoin as well. Like if we take a look at this, you'll see that the volume is up a lot. A lot of the volume comes from Bika, and Top Credit, and Super X. So perhaps there's some sort of manipulation going on. But we'll talk about that in this video, right? We'll explore everything we need to know. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group. If you don't know, I post my own trades as signals in there, and I'm a very profitable trader for quite some time now. So if you want to become a better trader and profitable as well, consider joining. There's also a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guide. So if you aren't interested in that, consider joining. For now, let's get into Apecoin. All right, so the thing is that currently a lot of people are saying it's bullish, and I would partially agree with that because a lot of the EMAs have been broken, which is usually a sign of a reversal. And then apart from that, it also broke above this major key level right here between 1.2 and 1.17. So yes, there is some bullish momentum, but it's definitely not bullish yet. I mean, not even on the 4-hour time frame. I'd say the main level is the highlighted level, which is basically a combination. We should maybe do something like this. It's a combination of the 200 EMA, which Apecoin hasn't really broken above either, and the 0.236 fib, so around 1.3. And what we'll see today, because it's Friday, and that's usually volatile, and that's usually a day where we will see moves like that, is that Apecoin will either break above that level, in which case it is bullish. If it breaks above 1.31, it will probably find resistance at 1.35, but then there's so much support in that whole level between around 1.3 and 1.27 that it will probably find support there and rally up higher towards 1.44 and 1.46. So that's a scenario. But like I said, I mean, something like this would need to happen as long as Bitcoin is bullish like this. And I'm not sure, like today, it's going to be volatile. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to hold these levels. Because if Bitcoin drops down from here, I don't think Apecoin will still get that bullish momentum. I just don't see that happening. Right now, it's still possible. Like if we take a look at the open interest and the volume, you can see that there's still a ton of momentum in the price for Apecoin right now. But if something like this doesn't happen today, I don't think it will happen anymore. There's still, I mean, obviously there's still a chance that then Monday the momentum comes back and that then Apecoin is able to do that. But it seems a bit like there's a lot of momentum right now. And if it finds resistance at 1.3 and starts dropping down towards 1.2 and starts consolidating here, it seems more likely that then it will just stay in a consolidation down here and be, well, neutral / bearish, depending on how you look at it. So yeah, this is what needs to happen. Can it happen? Yes, it's probably the most likely scenario at this point of time. But if it doesn't happen today, it's probably not going to happen. So that's my take on Apecoin. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.